In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the boost feature in Beehiiv. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. The boost feature in Beehiiv is designed to help you enhance your newsletter's visibility and engagement with your audience. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or a business owner, understanding this tool can make a difference in how your newsletters perform. First off, let's talk about why you'd want to use the boost feature. The main goal is to give your best content a little extra push. Perhaps you have a fantastic newsletter that didn't get the attention it deserved when it was first sent out. The boost feature allows you to resurrect that content, bringing it back into the limelight so more readers can engage with it. So, how do you get started? Once you log into your Beehiiv account, navigate to your dashboard. Here, you'll see all your past newsletters. Find the newsletter you want to boost. It's usually listed in chronological order. Clicking on it will open up the details page, where you'll find a variety of options related to that specific newsletter. Next, look for the boost feature. It's typically indicated clearly on the page, often alongside options like share and analyze. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on that boost button. You'll notice a prompt asking you to confirm that you want to boost the selected newsletter. Confirm it, and now you're almost there. Now, here comes the exciting part, setting up your boost. You'll typically have options to choose your audience targeting. This is crucial because you want to ensure that the right people are seeing your content. You can select your target demographic based on various factors such as interests, location, or even past engagement with your newsletters. Beehiiv allows you to customize this aspect to ensure maximum effectiveness, so take some time to think about who you want your newsletter to reach. Once you've chosen your audience, you might also have options for how long you want the boost to last. Do you want it to showcase for a few days, or perhaps a week? Each time frame has its benefits, and the decision should be based on your campaign goals and how frequently your audience engages with your content. After configuring the audience and duration settings, you're ready to allocate your budget for the boost. Beehiiv usually provides a straightforward way to set your budget. Monitoring your spending is essential, so make sure you choose a figure that aligns with your overall marketing strategy. This could be as little as a few dollars or more, depending on your plans. When you've gone through all these steps, it will give you a summary of your choices. It's essential to double-check everything at this point. Make sure that the newsletter, target audience, duration of the boost, and your budget are all aligned with what you intended. Once you're satisfied with it all, hit that final confirmation button to activate the boost. Now, let's talk about what happens next. After your boost is live, monitor its performance. Beehiiv provides analytics that can help you see how well the boosted newsletter is performing. Watch for metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and overall engagement. This data is invaluable, as it will inform your future content and boosting strategies. Lastly, remember that using the boost feature is not just about immediate gains. It's part of a broader strategy of figuring out what resonates with your audience. Don't be afraid to experiment with different newsletters and audience settings to continually learn and improve your approach over time. And that's it. You now know how to use the boost feature in Beehiiv effectively. By following these steps, you can ensure that your best content receives the attention it deserves. If you have any questions or would like to share your experiences using the boost feature, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy boosting.